Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, grade 5. Welcome to your English lesson. Open your English books and take out page 22. Today we will be doing the rest of the exercise of the poem Harm No Living Thing. Okay, we have done question number 1. Now look at question number 2. What does the poet mean when he says provided plants? Provided by whom, for what? So the answer, so provided plants means that provided could mean specially given by the nature. Provided plants mean that the plants are given by the nature. Okay, provided by the creator of nature. Plants are also provided by the creator of nature, so you can write by the nature or by the creator of the nature. Okay, provided by whom? So by the creator of the nature. And forward, so forward means that for what are the plants provided to us? So you will have to write that they are provided by the creator of nature to be used wisely for the well-being of all creatures. Okay, write the answer in your notebooks and send me your feedback. Then look at question number 3. What is meant by plants that cure and heal? They gladden our hearts with their beauty. They are useful for curing illness of the body. They have medical powers to calm the mind and bring feelings of peace. All of the above. So they cure and heal. So all A, B and C. The cure and heal means that they cure our hurts, they cure our illness, they also give calm to our mind. So you will have to write all of the above. Okay, now look at question number 4. People should not destroy nature by constantly taking more and more from it. Which line or lines in the poem convey a similar meaning? So if you look in the line, so if you look in the poem, so look at the line 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So forbid your mind from searching greed, for only more is enough. This line means that people should not destroy nature constantly by taking more from it. What does the poet mean when he says only more is enough? So you will have to write the answer by only more is enough. The more we protect nature, the better it will be. Okay, these two are wrong. There is no end to greed. We must seek more from nature. So this is wrong. It means that we have to protect the nature, and the more we protect it, the better it will be. Okay, do your homework and send me your feedback. Now look at activity on page 23. You will have to do it by your own self. Make a list of things that you can do to protect nature from being harmed. So what will you do for birds? To not to harm them. For insects, for animals, for fish and plants. For example, for plants we can plant more and more trees, and we do not cut them down. Okay, we do not do the deforestation. So in the same sense, you will have to write the answers in here. Okay, for example, you cannot kill or hunt birds, you feed them. You think of the answer and write and do the activity and send me your homework. Good luck. Thank you.